Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Let's make the savory and delicious, quick and easy Bengali dish, Begun Bhaja or Brinjal fry. The ingredients required for this are 1 large brinjal, salt, chili powder, and turmeric. Take a large brinjal, wash it thoroughly, and cut it into evenly thick discs. Now sprinkle salt on one side of the disc. Now add the chili powder and add turmeric. Now apply the masala evenly over all the pieces. You may also sprinkle some sugar if you like. Repeat the process on the other side and keep it aside for 15 minutes. The salt pulls out moisture from the brinjal and helps bind the masala. Now heat 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and add the marinated brinjal discs to it. Fry them on a medium flame. The aromas released as the brinjal fries is mouth-watering without a doubt. Now flip the brinjal occasionally. The brinjal absorbs the oil and tenderizes. Fry it on both sides till it turns crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This would take about 15 minutes. And it's done. Serve it with dal rice, roti, luchi or paratha. Have it as a morning or an evening snack. Super versatile. It fits in well with any combination. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments below, and do share the video with your friends and family. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.